The global chip shortage has underscored the critical need for a diversified and robust semiconductor manufacturing landscape. As we look towards 2040, several regions are poised to become powerhouses in advanced chip production. Here's a detailed look at 7 regions that are expected to lead the way in semiconductor manufacturing and how they are preparing for a more secure and innovative future. The semiconductor industry has been at the forefront of technological innovation, driving advancements across various sectors for decades. As we progress into the future, the demand for more powerful, energy-efficient, and compact electronic devices continues to soar. To meet these evolving demands, semiconductor manufacturers are constantly striving to push the boundaries of chip design and production. Over the years, certain regions have emerged as leaders in semiconductor manufacturing, leveraging their expertise, infrastructure, and strategic investments to stay ahead of the curve. These regions have become known as chip stars for their pivotal role in shaping the global semiconductor landscape. From pioneering research and development to cutting-edge manufacturing processes, these chip stars are instrumental in driving innovation and setting new standards for the industry. As we look ahead to 2040, these regions are poised to play an even more significant role in shaping the future of semiconductor manufacturing, fueling technological advancements and driving economic growth on a global scale. 1. Taiwan, maintaining supremacy through innovation. Taiwan is home to TSMC, the world's leading contract chip manufacturer, which has been a dominant player for decades. TSMC's technological advancements, such as 5 nanometers and 3 nanometers process nodes, set industry standards. How they're preparing. The Taiwanese government is heavily investing in R&D initiatives focusing on next-generation technologies like extreme ultraviolet, EUV, lithography, and advanced packaging techniques such as chip-on-wafer-on-substrate, CoWoS. Additionally, partnerships with global tech giants ensure continuous innovation. Educational institutions are also aligned with industry needs, producing a highly skilled workforce tailored to semiconductor demands. What it means: Taiwan's continued dominance could ensure a stable and reliable supply chain for cutting-edge chips, essential for everything from consumer electronics to military applications. However, it also raises concerns about potential over-reliance on a single region, especially given geopolitical tensions. 2. South Korea, chasing the cutting edge. South Korea, with Samsung as a major player, is a key player in chip manufacturing with significant R&D investments. Samsung is not only leading in memory chips but is also a formidable player in logic chip production. How they're preparing. South Korea is actively exploring next-generation technologies and boasts advanced manufacturing capabilities like EUV lithography. The government provides substantial funding for semiconductor R&D and has established initiatives to foster public-private partnerships. Samsung's investment in 3 nanometers process technology and beyond is a testament to the country's forward-thinking approach. What it means: South Korea's aggressive approach could challenge Taiwan's dominance in high-end chip production. This will likely result in a more competitive and innovative landscape, benefiting global technology development. 3. United States, a resurgence fueled by investment. The U.S., once a leader in chipmaking, is making a concentrated effort to recapture its position. Major companies like Intel, Micron, and GlobalFoundries are investing heavily in new fabrication plants, fabs, particularly in Arizona and Ohio. How they're preparing. The U.S. government has introduced significant incentives through the CHIPS Act, providing funding and tax breaks to attract chipmakers. Universities and research institutions are collaborating with industry to advance semiconductor technology, focusing on AI, quantum computing, and 2 nanometers and smaller process nodes. Intel's Project Aurora and investments in new fab technologies are pivotal. What it means: a resurgent U.S. chip industry could reduce reliance on foreign sources, bolster national security, and create a more geographically balanced manufacturing landscape. This resurgence could also lead to innovations that drive global semiconductor advancements. China, a sleeping giant awakens. China has ambitious plans for self-sufficiency in chip production and is investing heavily in domestic manufacturing. Companies like Semiconductor Manufacturing International Corporation, SMIC, are at the forefront of this push. How they're preparing. China's focus is on catching up to established leaders by attracting talent, acquiring foreign technology, and investing heavily in R&D. The government's Made in China 2025 initiative aims to significantly boost domestic chip production capabilities. China is also investing in AI and quantum computing to leapfrog in technology advancements. What it means: China's rise could create a more competitive market, potentially driving down costs and accelerating innovation. However, concerns regarding intellectual property theft, quality control, and geopolitical tensions remain significant barriers. 5. European Union, united for chip sovereignty and collaborative powerhouse. Recognizing the strategic importance of chips, the EU is fostering collaboration between member states to boost domestic production. Key players include ASML in the Netherlands, which produces critical lithography equipment, and STMicroelectronics in France and Italy. How they're preparing. European countries are launching joint initiatives, such as the European Processor Initiative, EPI, and the important Project of Common European Interest, IPCEI, on microelectronics. The EU is providing financial support for chipmakers and investing in research facilities, particularly in advanced nodes and power electronics. Germany's Infineon Technologies is expanding its capabilities in power semiconductors. What it means: a strong European chip industry could ensure technological independence and economic security for the region. It could also foster a more balanced global supply chain, reducing vulnerabilities to supply disruptions. 6. Japan, a legacy of quality endures. Japan, a historical leader in electronics, still plays a major role in chip manufacturing. Companies like Renesas Electronics and Tokyo Electron are key players. How they're preparing. Japanese companies are focusing on niche areas like automotive semiconductors, power electronics, and advanced materials. They leverage their expertise in quality control and precision engineering. The Japanese government supports these efforts through initiatives like the Strategy for Semiconductors and Digital Industry, aimed at enhancing domestic production and innovation. Singapore, the packaging and testing powerhouse. Singapore has established itself as a major hub for advanced packaging and testing services, crucial steps in the chip manufacturing process. Key players include Global Foundries and STMicroelectronics. How they're preparing. Singapore is continuously upgrading its infrastructure and attracting companies specializing in these critical areas. The government's Economic Development Board, EDB, provides incentives and support to semiconductor firms. Investment in state-of-the-art facilities and a skilled workforce ensures Singapore remains at the cutting edge of semiconductor packaging and testing. What it means: a robust packaging and testing ecosystem in Singapore will support the overall health of the global chip manufacturing landscape. This specialization in the semiconductor value chain makes Singapore an indispensable player in ensuring the quality and reliability of advanced chips.